$1 million bucks?
Where?
Oh, Tweaky, we'll never have to scam again. Not after my new Moto-Cross Protege snags that $1 million contract.
Yeah. Who's your new protege, boss?
Well, duh. It's you, nitwit. But first, we've got to get rid of that woodpecker. Big billboard.
Like this? Oh.
Oh, this quick-drying cement was pure genius, Tweaky. Now we'll get rid of this blockhead once and for all.
He sure is heavy for a little guy, boss.
Now to dump him off the cliff and make you the Snazzy Cycles poster boy. Wow!
So, but you could get rid of me and take my $1 million bucks, eh?
Looks like a late entry.
Coming.
And we're left with the...
So, he wants to be a spokesman, does he? Well, I'll jam this in his spokesman.
Oh, this is gonna cause serious engine breaking.
Challengers are giving us one explosive show, folks.
Oh, we'll give them expo, all right.
Oh, yeah. Then we'll get what's coming to us. Right, boss?
The $1 million contract.
Welcome to the Big Beach Extravaganza, the thrilling ocean event that comes...
Oh, boss. This vacation prize package looks like heaven on earth. Oh!
We got a race to win, Tweaky.
On winning?
On cheating. Oh, that's rich! Get ready to swim, Tweaky.
Swim? Oh, no, bossy. I sink a lot.
Oh, don't worry. When you push this little button here, you'll become instantly unsinkable.
Get set, and go!
Oh, water and wetness. Wow. I'm swimming, boss. I'm swimming.
Shut your yap and swim harder. Along, suckers!
It'll take more than a rope trick to beat us, mister. Cheaters never prosper.
Way to go, Tweaky! We just won the fight.
What? Boss, are you sure I need all this extra weight?
It's the fastest way to the bottom and the next flag, Tweaky. You want to win that vacation, don't you?
Yeah, but just once I'd like to be the one putting rocks in your pants.
Divers ready?
Off you go.
Looks like you guys could use a hand.
Oh my! In a shocking turn of...
Winnie, you do the surfing, I'll watch the cheating.
Oh, boss! This ain't working so good.
That'll hold yous. And quit your grousing. Now to take care of them woodpeckers once and for all.
Oh, a shark! A shark!
Man, knock it off. It's just me.
Oh, not everyone can carry off that look, but you can, boss.
There's something fishy going on out there.
It's not over yet!
Oh, well, give me come here a lot. Oh, I got you. Oh, boss. I'm hungry, and I'm getting rickets in my stomach a lot.
Oh!
Ooh, breakfast.
Stay out of sight. I just figured out our next con. Come on.
Whoa! Oh, I'm Panther. Hear me roar a lot.
Wow, Mr. Irons, I'm your biggest fan.
Yeah.
From miniature golf?
Yeah, but you see, if you win, you get to double your money back, sport. Yeah, now, why don't you go get yourself a...
Whoa, boy! And 5 and such.
Oh, sorry, Panther has to go put on his game face.
Oh, more grabbing.
Now we're in them photos, you feather brain. The only way out of this is to play that dumb woodpecker.
Oh, Mr. Irons!
I'll be right with you.
But, boss, I don't know nothing about playing golf for real.
Yeah? Well, you should have thought of that before you hammed it up for that peanut gallery back there.
Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I meant to do that.
Wow, guess that's why you're the champ.
Fixing this match is gonna be a cakewalk in the park, Tweaky.
Uh-huh.
Yep. Okay, sweet. You got me on that first hole, Mr. Irons, but I know exactly how to play this one.
Oh, look, this guy writing our names. Oh, the wind must have blown it away. Fame is so...
Let's see. The score is Panther, 8 holes in 1, and Woody Woodpecker, The shot's loaded, Tweaky. Just tap it and let the rubber band do the rest.
Alive and for... Oh, yeah, very victorious feelings.
Oops.
What are you gonna do, boss?
I'm gonna blow his ball off the course, then we're gonna blow on out of here with his dough.
Woody is teeing up Top Madness.
I win, boys. Not a bad golfing day either. Looks like I scored 2 birdies.